In a perfect world, there would be no disease and no pollutants. Our life would be carefree, with no stress, worries, or disease. In a perfect world, we would have perfect bodies. Our bodies, hormones, blood, neurotransmitters, muscles, organs are made up of a combination of amino acids, the building blocks of life. These amino acids combine into chains to form peptides and proteins, out of which the cells of all body tissues and organs are made. All cells interact with each other via their cellular membranes, with a system of control signals passed from one cell to another or through the bloodstream, the body's main information carrier. Once cells receive this information, they know what to do. All biological processes, genetic instructions, cellular division, metabolism are strictly controlled by these regulatory signals. This process is known as regulatory transduction. Our bodies are inherently super efficient, and in a perfect world could be compared to an ideal road traffic system, where there are no breakdowns, no light failures, no road repairs, just a continuum of organized flow. However, this is not a perfect world, nor is the environment in which we live. We are therefore subject to the harmful effects of our lifestyle and culture, toxins within the air, water, diet, and a multitude of diseases. All these factors disrupt intercellular communication and have an adverse effect on regulatory signal transmission. If these signals are not heard by the cells or pass through distorted, the processes governing the cells can run out of control, causing possible cellular death, cancerous tumors, organ failure, in fact, all sorts of health problems. No matter what the original cause, all bodily breakdowns begin with cellular dysfunction. Notwithstanding, all is not lost. Our bodies have a built-in source for cellular regeneration, adult stem cells. These cells are a renewable cellular reserve. They do not have the cellular structure of a particular tissue or organ, but can be activated and converted to cells of the organ in which they are located. The primary role of adult stem cells in a living organism is to maintain and repair the tissues and organs in which they are located. Unlike embryonic stem cells, the adult stem cells are present in all tissues of the human body from the moment of birth. It has recently been established that in response to cellular damage, certain regulatory peptides are naturally secreted by the cells of various body tissues to activate stem cell conversion. This is the body's inherent natural healing process. However, it is a very slow process, even under the best of circumstances. If the cellular drama is severe enough, this very mechanism of cell regeneration gets so weakened that it doesn't work fast enough or, at worst, at all. Despite this gloomy imagery, there are corrective solutions, and for this we have to thank the continuing progress of science, and in particular the advances in nanotechnology. Our scientists, utilizing nanotechnology, have created regulatory peptide-based nanoparticles for use as active ingredients in all our biologically active supplements. A unique quality of these nanoparticles is that they are active in ultra-low doses. 1 gram or 0.035 of an ounce of this active ingredient is sufficient for 60 million full-strength doses. Once introduced into the body, these active nanoparticles enter the bloodstream and are carried to the tissue or organ for which they were formulated. Upon reaching a target organ or tissue, these nanoparticles mimic the body's natural processes and re-establish optimal communications between the existing cells and activate adult stem cells to start rapid conversion and replacement of the damaged cells. The damaged cells are then naturally absorbed by the body, leaving the tissue or organ healthy once again. ProtoMedix nanostructured supplements are active in ultra-low doses and have no side or allergic effects. We can all, even the healthiest and fittest, benefit from these revolutionary nanoparticle-based supplements.